Welcome to Health Buzzwire. Today, we're diving into how your blood sugar can normalize naturally with the right lifestyle changes. Medications can be helpful, but they're not the only solution. By making smart choices about your diet and daily habits, you can support your body's natural ability to regulate blood sugar. If you're ready to take control of your health, hit that subscribe button for more tips that could change your life. The reality of diabetes and medications. Diabetes is a serious condition, and for many, medication is essential. But here's something you might not know: lifestyle changes can have a huge impact on your blood sugar levels. Medications often manage symptoms, but your body has the ability to balance blood sugar naturally if you make the right choices. Let's dive into how diet and exercise can help regulate blood sugar, potentially reducing your need for medication. The power of food choices. Food plays a huge role in blood sugar control. It's not just about cutting sugar, it's about choosing the right foods to help your body manage sugar effectively. Eat low glycemic foods. Low glycemic foods help prevent blood sugar spikes. Instead of white bread or sugary snacks, focus on options like leafy greens, whole grains, legumes, nuts and seeds. These foods release sugar slowly, helping your blood sugar stay steady throughout the day. Increase fiber intake. Fiber is your friend. High-fiber foods like vegetables, fruits, and whole grains slow down sugar absorption, helping prevent blood sugar spikes. Incorporate healthy fats. Healthy fats, like those in avocados, olive oil, and nuts, improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar. Incorporating more of these into your meals can reduce insulin resistance. Physical activity, your natural insulin booster. Exercise is key to improving insulin sensitivity and controlling blood sugar. You don't need to be a fitness expert, just 30 minutes of walking or cycling daily can help regulate your blood sugar. Adding strength training to your routine can also improve insulin function, as building muscle helps your body use glucose more efficiently. Stress and sleep. Stress and poor sleep can cause blood sugar levels to spike. Stress increases cortisol, which affects blood sugar. Managing stress through meditation, yoga, or deep breathing can help balance these levels. Also, don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of rest each night to keep your blood sugar balanced. Hydration and supplements. Staying hydrated helps your kidneys flush out excess sugar, supporting healthy blood sugar levels. Consider adding supplements like cinnamon, magnesium, or chromium to your routine, but always consult with your healthcare provider first. While medications play an important role, lifestyle changes can have a huge impact on normalizing blood sugar. By eating low glycemic foods, increasing fiber, and staying active, you can support your body's natural ability to regulate blood sugar levels. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who could benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Health Buzzwire for more simple, effective health tips. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.